joining me for this demonstration of Medline Plus. Medline Plus is a service of the National Library of Medicine. Their mission is to present high-quality, relevant health and wellness information that is trusted, easy to understand, and free of advertising. Information is provided in English and Spanish, anywhere, anytime, on any device for free. You can access Medline Plus through the library website at www.buffalolib.org. Once you have reached the home page, go to Research and Resources. From there, you'll see a list of databases from A to Z. Select M from the alphabetical bar. Under M, you'll see Medline Plus in English and in Spanish. Today, we're going to talk about Medline Plus in English. This is the Medline Plus homepage. You can see that the information is organized by topic. We have health topics at the top, drugs and supplements, videos, and tools. You'll also see these laid out on the left side of the page. In the middle of the page, you'll find ways to stay connected with Medline Plus. We're going to start today with health topics. Medline Plus has over 1,000 health topics in English and Spanish. You can either browse by topic using the Health Topics box, or you can search using the search box in the top right. We're going to do a search for asthma. Once we have typed the word asthma into the search box, it will bring us to this page with the heading Asthma, as well as some other results from asthma here. The main link will provide you with a topic overview of asthma. You can also see the information sorted by health topics, medical encyclopedia, external links, tests for asthma, drugs for asthma, information from the National Institute of Health, information from Medline Plus magazine, and information in multiple languages. We're going to return to the Medline Plus homepage using the logo at the top left of the page. Once we return to the homepage, we'll browse for the term asthma under Health Topics. You can see under the Browse feature that this has been sorted into different categories. You can find topics from A to Z. You can search by body location and systems. You can search by disorders and conditions, demographic groups, health and wellness, diagnosis, and therapy. Right now, we're going to use the alphabetical list to browse for asthma. Click on A, and you'll see health topics, starting with the letter A, organized alphabetically. Asthma is way down at the bottom. This is the topic overview for asthma. It is a comprehensive overview providing all the information you need to get started learning about your condition. Under Basics, you'll find written summary and overviews of the topics, including this link saying Start Here, which will give you 5 resources where you can get started. You can learn more about living with asthma-related issues, specific issues, or genetic issues here. See, Play, and Learn will provide you with images, health check tools, videos, and tutorials. Research will give you statistics, information on clinical trials, and journal articles. You can also use this to find an expert on asthma and find information for specific populations such as children, women, older adults, and patient handouts. As you scroll through the record, you'll see the summary of the condition as well as additional information. Going back to the Medline Plus homepage, we'll talk about drugs and supplements. Drugs and supplements can be found here for browsing, or we can search using the search box. Medline Plus provides information on over 1,000 drugs and 175 herbs and supplements. We're going to start with a search in the search box for Ritalin. You can see here the word Ritalin as a brand name for the drug, and methylphenidate, which is the generic name for the drug. You can also see that this is laid out similar to the health topics, organized by category. If we click into the record for methylphenidate, we'll see a series of questions with answers. Also, we'll see an important warning box. This will give you information that you'll need information you need to take this medication properly. We'll navigate back to the home page and talk about drug supplements. Once again, we're going to use the browse feature under drugs and supplements. You can see here under herbs and supplements, we have a link to all herbs and supplements that are provided by Medline Plus. In the alphabetical list, you can navigate to the supplement that you are using, like acai. This will give you information on the herb acai, including background, how much do we know, and what we have learned, how safe is it, what to keep in mind, and more information. This information was provided by the NCCIH Clearinghouse, which is a government agency tasked with providing safe information about drugs and supplements. If we close the tab at the top, we'll be brought back to our list of drugs and supplements. We are also going to look at American ginseng. As you can see, American ginseng has a record that is laid out similar to the one for a traditional drug. It's important to know that herbs and supplements can have reactions and side effects just like traditional drugs. Herbs and supplements can also have negative interactions and side effects when used with traditional drugs. As you can see, the record is very similar to a drug record. It provides a series of questions as well as the answer below. Once again, we're going to navigate back to the homepage of Medline Plus. There's also information provided on medical tests. You can browse medical tests by clicking on the link. This will give you an alphabetical list of tests that may have been prescribed by your doctor. It will tell you what the test is, what the test is used for, why you would need the test, what would happen during and after the test, and what you need to do to prepare, risks, and results. Once again, I'm going to navigate back to the Medline Plus homepage. We can also find videos and tools, which will provide information and tutorials on health, surgery, and games. You can search videos and tutorials using the search box here. I'm going to do a search for high blood pressure. You can see the camera here on this record that will give you information on high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. Navigating back once again to the homepage, you can see that Medline Plus also provides a medical encyclopedia that has thousands of articles, videos, and graphics. They also provide easy-to-read materials, a directory of organizations, and health information in multiple languages. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. If you have questions about Medline Plus or the library, please leave them in the comments.